I have explored and shared many free, unlimited AI video generators in the past, but this new tool is at least 10 times better than these. The videos I've created using this tool are nothing short of mind-blowing, insanely realistic, high quality, and incredibly fast to generate. Whether you're into content creation, marketing, or storytelling, this tool is a total game changer. The best part? It's completely free and truly unlimited, with no hidden restrictions or watermarks. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Step 1. Creating account. The AI tool I am talking about is chatglm.cn. Click on the link in the description below, and you will come to this page. This is a Chinese-based AI tool, so we are going to be using Google Translate to translate into English. By right-clicking, we will select Translate to English. Now, we will first sign up on this website. You can only register with your phone number. Click on the drop-down arrow to select your country. It supports numbers from almost every country and it's completely safe. But if you don't want to use your real number, you will click on the second link given in the description below, and this website will open in front of you. Choose any number from any country and copy it. Change the country code and paste your number. And don't forget to remove the country code from the number. Finally, request the verification code. Now, go back to the temp number site and refresh the message. And if you didn't receive the code, don't worry. Just change the number. For me, it worked on the second try. Enter the code and click on Login. After successful registration, you will come to the home page. Step 2. Text to image. This isn't just a video generator. This AI platform has a lot of free tools. Since our topic for this video is AI video generation, we will only test the AI video generation tool, but before that, we will test the image generation tool. For that, click on the AI drawing, and image generator is in front of you. Here you can browse others' creation, and recreate images in the same style. You can also choose a style from here. I will go with photography style. Next, you can select the aspect ratio for your image. Now, we will enter our prompt in the prompt box. I will paste this simple prompt. After this, we can click on the spells button, and here we can select from lenses, like full body shot, top view, etc. Then from composition you can choose any option. And from image quality you can add 4K resolution, ultra-realistic type words in your prompt. Now click on the Generate button to start the processing. And in a few seconds the result is in front of you. It has generated for images according to our prompt. Click on anyone, and you can see that it has generated for best images in HD quality according to our prompt. You can edit your image with the options given below the image. For example, by clicking on Partial Repaint, you can repaint the color from a specific part of your image. With AI Elimination, you can remove any object in your image, and with AI Filter, you can add different filters to your image. To download the image, click on the Download Image button. If you want to download this image in 4K HD quality, click here. Step 3. Text to video. In this third step, we will try the text to video feature. For this we will click Chinging AI Video button. Here you will find lots of amazing creations. You can use their style, or make your own. Now, let's enter the prompt. I paste this simple prompt. A handsome man wearing jeans and jacket, sitting on a chair in the room. He is talking with hand movements. After that, click on Basic Parameters, and here in Generate mode, faster, and in frame rate, 30 are already set, because better quality, and frame rate 60 are only for VIP users. Free users can still generate unlimited videos. Then we will select the aspect ratio for our video. Here, you can only create a 5-second video, and you can add voice to the video 3 times a day for free, even though it's a paid feature. You can also use those effects in your video. Now click on the Generate button. It tells you the estimated wait time is around 3 minutes, which is good even compared to paid tools. Here's the result. It's looking good. The outcome perfectly matches the prompt, and the video quality is also good. The only downside is that there's a watermark, but don't worry, I'll show you how to remove it effortlessly. Step 4. Image to video. Now we test the image to video feature of this AI tool. First of all, I delete this prompt and click on the plus button to upload our image that we want to convert into a video. If you want, you can crop your image. Now, I enter this simple prompt. Next, we will click on Basic Parameters and leave all the settings that are already selected in our free account as they are. Now, we will click on the Generate button and our video will be ready in a short while. Here is the output. This AI tool did a fantastic job turning the image into a dynamic video. Especially this image to video feature is better than text to video. Now, let's try one more image and see what kind of result this time we get. This time, I will upload a Pixar-style image that I generated using this same AI tool. Now, I type this simple prompt in the prompt box. Hit the Generate button, and here is the output. It looks good, as you can see how amazing the quality of the video is. The videos you are watching, created using this same tool. This AI allows you to create highly engaging content, and as you can see, the results are truly impressive. Step 5. Remove watermark. Now, let's deal with the watermark. Go to this free website. I have given the link in the description. Upload the video, draw a box over the watermark, and hit Remove. Here's the result. Clean. Now, just download your video and you're good to go. Watermark-free video is ready. So that's how you can create unlimited AI videos totally free. If this helped you out, make sure to subscribe for more powerful tools like this.